Good afternoon, everyone. I am standing outside of 325 East Echo Street in Lake Alfred, Florida. This home is just outside of Winter Haven, about 10 minutes, about 7 miles from I-4, about a half hour from Disney with no traffic. And this house is currently on the market for rent. It is a 3-bedroom with an office, 2-bathroom home, 2-car garage. And when I lived here, the thing I loved the most was how wide open, light, bright, and airy the house feels. So this is the living room. Dining room is over on this side. Fully equipped kitchen. There is natural gas, so you have a gas range. And then you have this lovely breakfast nook. It's always light-filled like this. And then you have a screen porch, good-sized covered lanai, pet door. I do allow small dogs. There's another pet door there, and we have a fully fenced-in backyard. And that's a split-bedroom floor plan. So this is the primary suite. So good size, ceiling fans throughout. There is central air, but I put a window unit in this room, so those that like extra cooling. Walk-in closet. Whoops. Secondary clothes closet. Primary bathroom. Nice big oversized shower, garden tub, double sink, toilet in a private room by itself. And then I'll go around to the opposite side of the home, and there are 2 more bedrooms. Okay, so here's bedroom number 2. And then down this hallway, bedroom number 3. And so these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom. And last but not least is the office. So there's a pocket door. And here's a pocket door. So you can close off the office. And this is hardwood laminate floors throughout the living space, tile in the kitchen, bathrooms, and breakfast nook. And I put brand new carpet in April of 2024 in all the bedrooms. So house has been well maintained and looking for new tenants. Give me a call. I'm Camille, 860-463-0875.